Hello, it's Mark Sloan here at the Alice Project. It is the 15th of March 2014. This is a detailed walkthrough of the main floor of the project. We've come through the lobby and we are in the great room, which is what it'll be called. Over here is the great room. It's a large open space to hang out. Be great. We have completed all of the framing, all of the mechanicals in place. We are ready for a drywall. We've got a little bit of insulation to do, but we'll put that in after this video because I wanted you to be able to see everything that's inside the walls. All right, so here on the left of us sits the confessionals and our crane as we come in. And we're looking over there, and there's the thing. Above us is what used to be the landing for the choir loft. It's great, it's upside down, but that is actually an original circuit that powered the organ originally, and we've tied it in so we can use it to power an exit light right here. Emergency light. I like to put in a battery-powered emergency light with exit light. Okay, up above us, you can see we're underneath the loft. We've got far left box here is for low voltage. It's got Cat 5 or Cat 6 actually in it. That's before whatever we want, right? Camera or some kind of monitor. This is a light. There's lights all the way down this hallway in there. Over here, this box is a smoke detector, and over there is another light. And that one would be switched differently. It would be on a great room light switch than this one. This would be on the hallway switch, which will be all the way down this entire hallway. All right, so here you can see the big beam that is holding everything up. Those were put in place a long time ago, and we've been at this project for 9 years. So we put those beams in probably about 8 years ago. It's been now that we got those in place. If you saw our video tour, or we'll see the video tour of the loft level, each of the offices upstairs has 3 large windows in it, and those are designed that they'll look like this. I would like to trim them out so they've got this nice wood look around them. Let's try to bring that design piece that was already existing in the building to the new part. Here's the doors back to the lobby. And there, of course, is that. Up above us here, this is where you can see where the original choir loft stuck out. And we've removed all of that, the railing and everything from it. So we've just got the framing of the choir loft, and this new loft level sits on top of that. It's actually goes all the way, it extends, these trusses you see up there actually extend over the top. So the choir loft itself, that piece sticking out, is not holding up the weight. Those are I don't know if you can see them, but they extend quite a bit farther past here. They actually end on top of this brick wall right here. So the brick wall is actually supporting the weight of those trusses. Up there you can see where we've tied into the legacy electrical system so that we could put a switch up above to turn on those old overhead lights there that used to be switched from the lobby there. We took that and changed it. And we actually changed that switch in the lobby, so now it switches these hall lights that are just above us. Right above us here is where you can see there used to be a rail, and in that rail was a light outlet that powered the organ. Well, we cut that off and moved it back, and now that will be a box here in the new ceiling, and we'll put an exit light there. Okay, so right up here you can see the central vac coming down, and that goes all the way down the whole length of the building, and we'll see where that is in a little while. It's be a little bit of a walk before we get there. Okay, so we're going along, and this is the great room, and we've added electrical outlets every 12 feet. You can see them on the wall there. They come there actually. There's a junction box down below, and we bored through the concrete floor and put the wire mold on the wall. It's not the nicest look, but it works, and it makes us up to code with the spacing of our outlets. And you get the original windows here. So here we are in the great room. Right here on the left is a light switch. It says right there. Bookcase lights. It goes up, and you can see these blue boxes. There's one right there, and there'll be another one way in the far corner there. We'll get to in a moment. Those will be receptacles there, and the accent lighting inside these built-in bookcases will be connected to them. There's a central vacuum outlet over here. We put it in this wall so that it would reach the great room. Otherwise, if we put it in the hallway wall, it wasn't quite long enough. So this gave us a way to make that happen. Okay, so there it goes up. This is the fireplace. Will be right here. There'll be a built-in electric fireplace. It's powered by a circuit of its own, which is right here. You can see the back of it. And it has a switch right here. So it has a switch. On this wall, you can actually see that blue box there, which would be part of the bookcase lights. Here's an outlet here, which would be part of the great room circuit, not the hallway circuit, but it would be on the great room circuit, and that would be tied to these boxes that you see all the way back along this big long wall. Okay, now this fireplace will be designed in such a way that it's on a hinge, so it will actually open. So you can step into this closet space, which is a little narrow space. And up above is a trapdoor. It goes directly up and into that closet space above us. It's right to the bottom of that 2x4 frame up there is 10 feet from the floor. So the ladder height will be 10 feet, but there'll be 5 more feet of grab bars above that so you can get in and out comfortably. We're seeing the back side here of a built-in dresser for this guest bedroom. We're going to build that in here with some big open space on the top of it so that's good for knickknacks and stuff like that. And there's a box up there that is connected there for power to do that. Inside this closet is a switch right there and a light so that you don't have to be in the dark. And here I'll move back so you can actually see the wiring, and that goes down. Now, since we're underneath one of these wooden beams, these wooden beams tended to prove challenging when it came to running mechanical, we can't run any mechanical through it. So everything that's in this wall had to go down through the floor. So it had to go down through the hole in the floor, into the basement, and then all the way back up on the other side. Okay? And then let's go over here. You can see the back of this box here, and we'll explain all of those in a bit. All right, so here is the great room and how it looks. All right, I think I'm going to stop there, and we'll go to we'll start a new video and go to the kitchen area. All right, thanks for visiting. Goodbye.